Welcome to Chicken Dairies for March 4th, 2025. Good morning, ladies. Well, it's a beautiful sunny day as we're waiting to see where Cyclone Alfred is going to land. If it does land, might go the other way and avoid us all. But as you can see, in just a sec, it's a beautiful morning so far, which is good. So we have Memphis Belle, Panther and Red Baroness all having a morning drink. Good girls. Guess not eager for breakfast. And you probably hear Kevin barking at his toy. And my mum at the other end telling Kevin, Sparky to stop. Yeah, it's Kevin. Okay, girls, you're not doing much for me today, eh? Here's your breakfast. Nobody want breakfast? Guess not. Alright, girls. You enjoy your water. Oh, hey, Kev. Oh, he's got his toy. Okay, Kevin, I get the message. You want your toy. You want to play with your toy. But if you don't give me your toy, I can't throw your toy, therefore we can't play with your toy. Okay? None of that matters, it seems. Anyway, girls, you enjoy your breakfast, and we will be back later. Until next time, bye for now.